My boy, do you want to know how to get girls? Do you want to understand the mind of a woman? Then listen up, because once you understand this, everything will change with women forever. Many men don't understand that women are visual creatures. It's true, women pay more attention to your appearance than men, and most guys are completely oblivious to it. Listen, when it comes to attracting women, looks play a massive role. A woman's first impressions are heavily influenced by what she sees. In fact, studies show that women process visual information much faster than verbal information. What does this mean for you? It means that you must put effort into your appearance. Your looks are your first line of attack in winning a woman's heart. It's not about being vain or superficial. It's about understanding what women are naturally drawn to. And let's be honest, the vast majority of women are drawn to good-looking men. It's just the way it is. The truth is, there are only a few men who can get beautiful women, and it's because they understand this principle. Women's biggest turnoff is a man who doesn't take care of himself. Many men think that being a little rugged or having a bit of stubble makes them look attractive. But guess what? They couldn't be more wrong. A messy beard or unkempt hair is a complete turnoff for women. It sends the message that you do take care of yourself, and that you're really not worth her time. My boy, if you want to attract high-quality women, you need to groom yourself properly. Get a haircut regularly, keep your facial hair neat and clean, and dress like a man of style. Remember, women notice these things and they say a lot about you as a man. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh haircut and a clean shave. It can make all the difference in the world when it comes to attracting women. So don't be lazy and sloppy. Take pride in your appearance. A woman's love starts with attraction, and attraction begins with what she sees. So make sure you put your best foot forward. You never know which woman you might meet and impress. Next point. Women want a strong leader, not a weakling. Many men fail to understand this crucial aspect of female nature. They try to be too nice, too agreeable, or simply too passive. But guess what? Women want a strong leader, not a weak. It's important to remember that women are naturally attracted to confident, assertive men who know what they want. Being too nice or agreeable can send the wrong signal that you lack direction and purpose in life. Women want a man who can take charge, lead the way, and make decisions with conviction. Now, this doesn't mean being a pushy or overbearing jerk. It simply means having the courage to stand up for yourself and your beliefs, taking initiative and being decisive. When you exhibit these qualities, women will respect you and be drawn to your strength. So my boy, don't be afraid to take charge. Be the kind of man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. Women love a man with drive and ambition. They want a partner who can guide and protect them. So show them that you're capable of being a strong leader. Don't be a weakling who agrees to everything. Stand up for yourself, take charge, and be the kind of man who knows where he's going. Women will respect you for it and may just fall in love with your strength and leadership. Now moving on to the next point. Women are more interested in your status than you think. It's no secret that women are attracted to successful men. They want a partner who can provide for them and offer a certain level of status and lifestyle. While it's important not to be solely focused on material things, it is crucial to understand that women are biologically programmed to seek out a man who can offer them a high social status. It's in their DNA. Thousands of years ago, women who chose partners with higher social status had greater access to resources and protection. This ensured the survival of their offspring and the continuation of their bloodline. This instinct is still present in modern women today. They may not be consciously looking for a wealthy or highly connected man, but they are attracted to the status and lifestyle that comes with success. As men, we need to understand this and work towards achieving our goals and aspirations. By doing so, we not only increase our chances of attracting and retaining a high-valued woman, but we also become the kind of men who are capable of providing for and protecting their loved ones. It's a win-win situation, so don't dismiss the importance of success and status. Aim high, work hard, and achieve your dreams. You'll not only be more attractive to women, but also lead a more fulfilling and successful life overall. Alright, now let's move on to the next point. Women are naturally more emotional than men. You see, women are emotional creatures by nature. They express their feelings openly and react strongly to both positive and negative stimuli. On the other hand, men are typically more logical and less prone to emotional outbursts. Women prioritize emotions when making decisions, while men tend to rely more on logic and reason. This difference in emotional processing can sometimes lead to misunderstandings and conflicts between men and women. It's important for men to recognize and understand this emotional aspect of women. They should strive to communicate effectively, be empathetic and patient when dealing with women's emotional responses. By doing so, men can build stronger relationships and connections with women based on mutual respect and understanding. It's not about suppressing their own emotions or logic, but rather about embracing and appreciating the emotional nature of women. Remember, understanding and embracing the emotional side of women can lead to deeper, more meaningful connections and relationships. It is crucial for men to develop emotional intelligence and cultivate empathy to effectively communicate and connect with women on their level. By doing so, men can bridge the emotional gap and foster stronger bonds with the women in their lives. And finally, my last point for today. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it can buy you some nice shoes. We all know the saying that money can't buy happiness, but let's be real. It can buy you some pretty nice shoes. Now, while it's true that money isn't the key to happiness, it's also undeniable that it can provide us with comfort and security. Having financial stability can alleviate stress and anxiety about basic needs, allowing us to focus on other aspects of life, such as relationships and personal growth. Moreover, money can open doors to new experiences, opportunities, and luxuries that we may not have otherwise. For example, it can provide us with access to better education, healthcare, and travel opportunities. These experiences can broaden our horizons, help us grow as individuals, and create lasting memories. However, it's crucial to remember that money is not a substitute for genuine happiness. True fulfillment comes from factors such as strong relationships, a sense of purpose, and inner peace. Therefore, while it's important to strive for financial stability, it should not be at the expense of our values, relationships, or mental well-being. Instead, we can find a balance between pursuing financial success and prioritizing what truly matters in life. After all, life isn't just about accumulating wealth, but about living a life that we find meaningful and satisfying. So yes, money can buy you some nice shoes, but it can't buy you happiness. Find the balance and prioritize what truly matters to you. And with that said, you have now reached the end of this video. If you have made it this far, I want to personally thank you for watching. And for those who have been with me from the beginning, I salute you. Know that your support has not gone unnoticed, and I am eternally grateful for each and every one of you. Now before we part ways, I have a special gift for the true fans. For the next 72 hours only, you can get my exclusive content by clicking the link in the description below. But be warned, this offer is only valid for the next 3 days. So act fast and don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. To my loyal viewers, you are the backbone of my channel, and I would not be where I am today without your support. Thank you for believing in me and for being a part of my journey. I promise to continue making videos that inspire, motivate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. Until next time, stay amazing and keep shining bright. Remember, you are all stars, and I am eternally grateful to have you in my universe.